Hello friends, today's topic, today Nifty up by 500 points, 4 reasons. I am Dr. Bharath Chandra. Purpose of the video is financial education of society. After a holiday yesterday, Indian market rallied very well today as expected. Nifty was up around 2.1% while mid cap index was up 2.9%, small cap index was up 3.1%. Nifty crossed the 23,000 mark easily today. The rally in global markets in the last 2 days continued to Indian markets too. As of now, for the last 3 to 4 days, tension in global markets due to tariff has reduced. The following are some of the reasons why there is a relief rally going on. 1. Temporary relief from tariff. Donald Trump had made a statement on Saturday regarding temporary exemption for some consumer electronics such as smartphones, laptops and computers from a processed 124 tariff on Chinese goods and 10% global flat rate. He also hinted at possible relief for the automotive sector facing steep import duties. However, the US President Trump later clarified that the electronic items will be moved to a different tariff bucket and not fully exempt for tariffs. He also said that the new duties on imported semiconductors could be announced later this week. The reason global markets are perceiving this as positive news since reduction of tariffs on electronic items by US is an indication to soften its trade war with China. This move is being seen as a significant softening to the US stance towards China. Number 2, India wicks down by 20% today. As a result of pause in tariffs by US for 90 days, India wicks, which is also called fear index, fell by 20% today and fell from around 20 to 16.1. This shows that markets are less nervous about the downside in the short term. As per analysts, Nifty may face resistance around 23,500 and if it can be crossed, then it could move closer to 24,000. Nifty is currently trading about its 30 days moving average at 22,825. After 2 days of good rally, Nifty has once again come moving closer to its 200 days moving average of 24,054. Currently, Nifty 50 index is near 23,300. Here is an announcement. There is a free 2-hour online workshop on mutual funds, and to give more details about it, we have organized a 10 minutes introductory session on 18th April, Friday, and that is a holiday at 7:05 p.m. This is only a 10-minute session. To register for this 10-minute session, send an email to successdigest@gmail.com with the subject Mutual Fund Webinar with your name and mobile number. Seats are for the first 80 people only. Third reason why market went up today is value buying in index stocks. Since many days, large cap index stocks have fallen significantly. This is the reason many stocks such as Tata Motors, Larsen & Toubro, HDFC Bank, Bajaj Finance, Reliance Industries rallied well today. We need to see if this relief rally can sustain for some more time so that it will provide cheer to investors after many weeks. Fourth reason, very positive global cues. Major Asian markets rallied between 2 to 4% in the last 2 days. Similarly, European markets were also up by 2 to 3%. US markets were up by around 2%. So Indian markets have followed global cues and rallied well on Friday and today. Portfolio of individual investors may also risen by around 4% or more the last 2 trading days, following the status of various indices compared to their recent high. 1. Nifty 50 percentage change from lifetime high minus 10.9%. 2. Nifty mid cap 100 percentage change from lifetime high minus 14.6%. 3. Nifty small cap 100 percentage change from lifetime high minus 17.7%. At the end of the video, here is a question. It has been 7 months since Nifty fell from its lifetime high. In your opinion, how many more months will it take to once again touch 26,000 mark? There are 3 choices for you. A. Within the next 3 months. B. Next 3 to 6 months. C. More than 6 months. In case you are not the member of this channel, this is the time to subscribe. Press the bell icon. Send the video to all your friends. The video is good. Press the like button. Thank you for watching. Bye bye. All the best.